Hello, my dear flower enthusiasts. It's Rosie here from 416 Flowers, where we believe in spreading love one flower at a time. If you haven't already, do hit that subscribe button and join our blooming community. Today, I want to share a heartwarming story about daisies and diversity. Picture this, a bustling office filled with people from all walks of life. Each person, a unique petal in the vibrant bouquet of humanity. And at the heart of this diversity, a common thread, the love for flowers. One day, the office decided to celebrate their cultural diversity. Each coworker was asked to bring a flower that represented their culture. The office was soon filled with a riot of colors, fragrances, and stories. There were roses from England, tulips from the Netherlands, cherry blossoms from Japan, and so many more. But amidst this floral diversity, one flower stood out, the humble daisy. Why the daisy, you ask? Well, the daisy is a universal symbol of innocence, purity, and new beginnings. It's a flower that transcends cultural boundaries and brings people together. And that's exactly what happened in this office. The daisy became a symbol of their unity and diversity. It reminded them that despite their differences, they were all part of the same bouquet, each adding their unique color and fragrance to the mix. So my dear friends, let's take a leaf out of this story. Let's celebrate our differences and remember that like flowers in a bouquet, we are all unique, yet beautifully connected. Before I sign off, I want to remind you that if you're in the Greater Toronto area and need flowers for any occasion, 416 Flowers is your best choice. We offer fast same-day delivery options, deliveries 7 days a week, and the best prices. So for your next flower order, remember to visit 416flowers.com. That's all for today, my dear flower enthusiasts. Remember, let's spread love one flower at a time. Until next time, keep blooming.